Good morning, class 12th. Yesterday we have done that on what factors the resistance of a wire depends. Achha, resistance of a wire normally depends on the two factors basically, that is the length of wire and cross section, and the other two factors on which the resistance of the wire depends is nature of the material and temperature of material. On the basis of that, we have clarify a formula, that is R equals to what? Rho L upon A. Here the rho is what? Resistivity, or the second name of this rho is specific resistance. ठीक है, so this is the part. Now the today's question is based on this topic only. क्या कह रहे हैं? If the length of a wire becomes n times, let this is a wire, ठीक है, this is a wire, ठीक है, and it is just become n times of this length. Means here if I consider that L1 is L, so obviously N2 will be n times of L because it's become n times. Okay, as you know, if the length of a wire changes, so obviously cross section area will be also changes because they are not defining the cross section area is same. That means we have to take the cross section area is varying. So let us take here the area of this wire is A, and so we have to calculate the area of this wire. Achha, as you know, if we will stretch or compress a wire, their volume will be same, है ना? So volume initially, मतलब for this wire equals to volume क्या और फाइनल वन. तो as you know कि what is the formula for volume? That is cross section area into height or length, है ना? So here will be what? A1 L1 equals to क्या? A2 L2. So substitute the value. A into L equals to A2 into NL, है ना? So L cancel, तो obviously here A2 will become क्या? A by N. Clear? That means कि if the length of wire increase, the cross section area will decrease. Okay. Now I'm just substituting the formula. R1 equals to what? Rho L upon A. That means rho L1 A1, so rho L by A. Achha, obviously the resistivity will be same because if you will stretch the wire, the resistivity will not vary because the resistivity of the wire depends only the two factors, that is material and the temperature. So if the length or a cross section area, if you will vary, so there will be no effect on resistivity. So this is the first part, है ना? Now for the second wire, R2 equals to what? Rho 2 L2 upon A2. I am substituting the value. So rho into NL upon क्या? A by N. That means कि R2 will be what? N square times of rho L by A. है ना? If I will substitute this value or in this part, so R2 will becomes N square times of R1. That means कि if the length of the wire becomes N times, the resistance will become N square times. मतलब if you will just double the length of the wire, the resistance will increase by the square of 2 times. That means 4 times. It will become 4 times. If the length of a wire becomes 3 times, the resistance will become 9 times. If the resistance of the wire will become 1 upon 2 times, the resistance will become 1 upon 4 times. But in all the cases, the resistivity will be same because resistivity depends on the two factors, that is the material of the wire and second one is temperature of the wire. So kindly practice some question of such type of questions, and these are very important questions which can be used in the further topics. Okay, thank you class.